This video is going to cover converting exercise 15-3 into a 2D drawing. We're not actually converting, we're just creating a 2D drawing in the layout space from the 3D. So I'm going to click on layout, delete the standard viewport that comes in, click layout, and I'm going to go right to base view from model space. So here I've got my front view, exit, top, right, and isometric. Now, granted, I would do that, and if I look under here I can see that it's in first angle projection, and I don't want first angle projection, I want third angle projection, so I'm going to delete all that. In the previous two videos I checked that before I did anything. In this one I thought it would be okay, but it wasn't. So here we've got third angle, and I'll go back to base view from model space and I'll just recreate the views in here. So we've got our 4 views on our sheet. At this point I'm going to begin dimensioning, so we'll go to the annotate tab, dimension, and I'm going to try to get the overall dimensions in first. I know that the overall width is 50, the overall height is going to be 30, the overall depth, I'm going to dimension that from the top view because the top view is not a very clear view and it doesn't give me a whole lot of information that I don't have elsewhere, so we'll put that in over there. Go ahead and dimension this little piece right here at 5. Now I can put 2 places under that one, or I can just put in 2 different dimensions of 5. And the 2 different dimensions of 5 works probably best for me. Now I can come in here and I want to dimension the height of this, which is going to be 7. The height of this is 8. I already have the overall height of 30, so I need to put in a dimension here of 20. I already have the overall dimension of 40, but I need the dimension from here to here of 10. Now, keep in mind, this is extension lines crossing. There is nothing in the rules that says extension lines cannot cross. It's the dimension lines that you want to avoid crossing at all costs. So now I can put in this dimension right here, which is going to be 8. I need a distance between here and here, which is going to be 7. And now I just want to double check and make sure that I've got all of my dimensions. 30, 8, 7, 10, 20, 40, 8. I've got the 50. I've got the 5 in 2 places. And I don't have the 18, so I want to go in and put in that dimension of 18. So again, it's a good idea just to double check and make sure you've got everything before you move on. But once you have all the dimensions and everything, you can go ahead and save this and submit it. You can make this view shaded if you want. We'll go to hidden lines, shaded with visible lines, and exit out of that. I'll go ahead and save this, and now it's ready to submit.